Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a contact on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, there are two things you might want to do. Delete a chat or delete the contact itself. If you just want to delete the chat, go to your WhatsApp chats list, swipe the conversation from right to left, tap More, and then select Delete Chat. Confirm by tapping Delete Chat again, and the conversation will be removed. Now, if you want to delete the contact completely so it no longer appears in your list, open the chat with that person and tap on their name at the top. Then tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Delete Contact. Then confirm by tapping Delete Contact again. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a contact on WhatsApp.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.